How to factory reset Qecnato T12 wireless earbuds. So these earbuds popped up on Amazon on super sale, like over 80% off, from over $100 to like $20 to get these earbuds. So you might have ended up getting them and you're wondering how to reset them. I'll put a link in a pinned comment to where you can get them if you're interested. So these are T12s. There's a bunch of different T12s out there and they all pretty much reset in the same manner. You might want to do this if they're not pairing with your phone or something like that and you're trying to troubleshoot it. Also, if you're trying to set them up new, what you want to do is you want to take them out of the case and then you're just going to have to turn them off. So you're going to use the multifunction button. Just hold it on both of them for about 6 seconds. The light will come on solid for just a second and then turn off, showing that the earbuds have turned off. Once you do that, then you're going to just wait a second and then press and hold the multifunction button on both of the earbuds for about 15 seconds. Just keep holding. They'll actually turn on. Just ignore that. Keep holding. And after about 15 seconds, this light will flash orange and then go off, indicating that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and set these up as a brand new set of earbuds.